In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude and Dreamina. Right now, there are no official skills, plugins, or connectors to link Claude to Dreamina directly. Dreamina also doesn't provide an MCP server. If we head over to Connectors, click Add Connectors, and search for Dreamina, nothing shows up. Even if you try adding a custom connector, it requires an MCP server URL, which Dreamina doesn't offer. So how do you actually make them work together? There are two main ways. First, you can use a third-party GitHub repository, like the Dreamina Agent Skill for Claude Code, which helps automate processes for developers and AI creators. The second, even better option is to create custom skills yourself. I built a custom skill called Dreamina Prompts. This skill automatically triggers whenever you mention Dreamina, Cdream, CapCut AI, or when you ask for AI image prompts, YouTube thumbnails, product shots, character sheets, or image-to-video motion prompts. If you want this custom skill for yourself, just leave a comment below and I'll share it with you. Once you have the skill file, here's how to install it. First, click the Download button to save the file to your computer. Next, go to your profile, click on Settings, and select Skills. Click Add, select the Dreamina prompt file from your folder, and upload it. You'll now see it listed under your skills, where you can view or edit the details anytime. To test it out, type a prompt like, "Create a YouTube thumbnail for my video about how to connect Claude and Dreamina," and use the Dreamina prompt skill to write it. Once you send it, Claude loads the skill and generates tailored, high-quality prompts optimized specifically for Dreamina and CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips.